Welcome to Rhythm, a 7-day journey to create a simple personal space for meditation. And today we are going to listen. So let's begin by first taking a moment to arrive fully into our seat. Let this space meet you wherever you are today. Allow your spine to naturally stand tall. Allow your shoulders to gently relax. And allow your hands to rest wherever they comfortably want to be. We will begin by feeling the ground beneath us, noticing the support that you are sitting on. And let's bring our awareness completely to our feet, our toes, the soles of our feet, the heels and the ankles, going up towards our legs. Notice the sensations that are present and let awareness rest here. Let's gently move our awareness now from our shins and our calves up towards our knees and our thighs. Listening without trying to change anything. We are riding up to the back of the knees, the back of the thighs, and now reaching our pelvis and our hips. Allowing the awareness to rest here. Feel the pelvis and the hips as the center of the body. And from here now, let's gently move our awareness upwards to the abdomen and the lower back. You may notice movement with the breath. Notice as we move upwards that we get more and more aware of the sensations in our body. Moving towards the chest and the upper back. And then coming towards the shoulders. Resting our awareness here just for a couple of moments. From here, we now start moving towards our hands, starting from the tips of our fingers, feeling the palms of our hand going into our wrists, upwards to the arms, and meeting the shoulders once again. We gently move upwards to the neck, the back of the neck, and now towards the jaws. Let awareness be gently present here. Just notice how you feel when you unclench your jaw, how you feel when you relax your tongue. How you feel when you relax your scalp. And now sense the whole body as one moving part, breathing and present. Before we end our practice for today, let's take a moment to thank ourselves for taking the time to practice. Slowly and gently, let's bring our awareness back to the present moment, to where we are in the room, to where we are sitting. And whenever we are ready, we can slowly and gently open our eyes. Thank you for choosing to practice with us today.